Hi everyone, I am Siddharth Nama and I am a final year student at IIIT Bhagalpur. In this video, I will quickly walk through my assignment submission. For the main goal of this assignment was to deploy an observability stack on a resource constrained edge device. So the device has only two CPU cores and about 500 MB RAM, and the entire monitoring system needs to run within 300 MB memory. So I focused on two main things. The first is optimizing the Python service, which is given in the zip file, and the another is using lightweight tools for observability. So my solution has three main components, which I mentioned in the architecture: a Python sensor device or service, a matrix collector, and a visualization dashboard. So the sensor services runs using Flask on port number 8000, and these metrics are scrapped every 15 seconds by Victoria Matrix, which is compatible within the Prometheus but much lighter. And then Grafana is used to visualize the metrics in dashboard. So now let me explain the issues in the original sensor service. So I found that the first, it created a large 5 MB string called a data block, which caused unnecessary memory uses. And for an edge device with limited RAM, this is not ideal. Second, the matrix endpoint had a CPU intensive loop running 2 million iterations. And since monitoring system scrap matrix regularly, so this caused CPU spike and can slow responses, which could even lead to a scrap failures. And the third point is some heavy processing was happening directly inside the matrix endpoint, which made the system unstable. So to solve this issue, I refactored the services and I changed the code. So instead of doing heavy work inside the matrix loop, I moved processing into a background worker thread. So now the matrix endpoint just returns already computed values, so it responds very quickly. And I also added a bounded queue using DQ with the maximum length of 1000. This prevents the queue from growing indefinitely and protects the system from memory uses during high load. And after that, now let me directly go to the Docker Compose file. So the entire stack is deployed under Docker Compose. Each service has a memory limit to ensure we stay within a 300 MB requirement. So if I run docker.pl, then you can see all of these running into 300 MB, as you can see. Uh, the another thing I implemented is automatic Grafana provisioning. So as you can see in the dashboard, I integrated Grafana to visualize everything. So when that stack starts, the dashboard is automatically loaded without any manual setup. Uh, so now let me show a quick demo of the system running. So I will run Docker PS. As you can see, here we can see the containers for service. Here the service sensor Grafana and another is Victoria Matrix, right? And I will open Grafana dashboard here. So you can see that there is a sensor, request rate, query depth, CPU spike active, and processing latency and service memory uses. And finally, I will show you the performance report in which after optimization, you can see the matrix endpoint respond in under 10 milliseconds and the full observability stack runs within about 170 MB memory. So I improve the system by removing inefficient memory uses and using Victoria Matrix as a lightweight matrix collector and enforcing the memory limits with Docker. So thanks for watching, and I am hoping to get the next round. So thanks for your time.